In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep track of your real estate rentals. We're going to keep things simple and reliable by using a calendar system. And the one I recommend for most people is Google Calendar. It's free, easy to access on your phone or computer, and great for keeping everything organized in one place. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. To keep your rental information separate from your personal schedule, create a dedicated calendar just for rentals. On the left, find the section labeled Other Calendars, click the plus icon, and choose Create New Calendar. Give it a clear name like Real Estate Rental, then click Create Calendar. This keeps all your lease dates and property reminders grouped neatly so you can show or hide them with a single click. Now let's add your first property and its key dates. Click Create, then choose Event. Enter an event title for your lease timeline, such as lease start and lease end, so it's obvious what each date means when you glance at your calendar. Select the starting date of the rent and then select the ending date. In the event details, look for the calendar drop-down under My Calendars and switch it to Real Estate Rental so this event lives on the rental calendar you just made. To make events easy to spot, color code them for quick reference. You can assign a distinct color to the real estate rental calendar or set colors on individual events to differentiate lease milestones from other notices. When you're satisfied, click Save. Next, repeat the process for other important events like rent due. Click Create, pick Event, and type in rent due as your title. Select the specific date this payment is expected, and again, make sure the calendar is set to real estate rental. Save the event. You can repeat this for every property you manage, adding separate events for each address so you always know what's coming up. As you build out your calendar, consistency is key. Use clear, predictable titles and keep colors consistent so you can scan your calendar and understand it at a glance. Keeping everything in the real estate rental calendar means you can toggle it on during work hours and off when you don't want to see business items. That's it. With a dedicated calendar, clearly labeled events for lease start and end, and separate entries for rent due, you'll have a clean, dependable system to track your rentals without clutter or confusion. Stick with this method, and you'll never miss an important date again.